Welcome back. Talegaon Panchayat is facing a tough time with no permanent secretary at Panchayat from last 4 months. The labours of the Panchayat are not paid from last 4 months. Talegaon MLA Jennifer Montserrat claims interference in Panchayat administration from the local BJP leaders. The issue of bad roads in Talegaon will be raised in the assembly.
Now it is becoming a constant problem, because anyone who comes here is being sent back. Things are not happening. We've not had a permanent secretary for 4 months. So every time a new secretary comes, the new secretary has his own way or her way of running the panchayat, which again makes a problem. What we need now is a permanent secretary. We need a secretary who is going to help us, not a secretary who is going to be negative and not do work for us. Our labourers have not been paid for 4 months. Which we are finding very difficult. The secretary won't allow us to pay them on a daily wages, which we thought that we would do. That is not happening. So for 4 months the labourers are not working, and now they decided that they don't want to come to work. We've been having interference from outside as well. Even the chief minister today will not interfere with the panchayat, but people who are with him using the BJP name and using his name are creating problems for us in the panchayat. He is dictating terms on how we should run a panchayat. He calls the secretaries and speaks to them and tells them that they have to listen to him. So how can that be possible? So our next step will be to meet CM. And the road from Durgawadi is so bad. It's for people who have cars also, it's bad. So imagine people who have two-wheelers and who have to use that road every day. It's damage to the cars, to the vehicles, and also people, no? You can get a bad back there.
Hindu protagonists are up in arms against the Singham returns. Hindu Jana Jagruti Samiti Goa unit demonstrated against Singham returns at Mapsa on Sunday, claiming it to be anti-Hindu. This was part of their nationwide protest against the film. They have complained to the censor board as the film promo exhibits a Hindu saint in bad light as a villain. Samiti claims this has hurt the sentiments of Hindus. Samiti demands ban on release of the movie scheduled for 15th August.
मैं यहाँ इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने आया हूँ, 2 कौड़ी का प्रवचन सुनने नहीं।
तेरी गति पे ब्रेक लगा बाजीराव।
और तेरी कुंडली मेरे हाथ में तब से है जब से तू गेटी गैलेक्सी थिएटर के बाद टिकट ब्लैक करता था।
आज आंदोलनाचे विषय आहेत। पहिला विषय म्हणजे सिंघम रिटर्न्स या चित्रपटामध्ये हिंदूंच्या धार्मिक भावना दुखवल्या आहेत, तर या चित्रपटाचा आपण निषेध नोंदवतो आणि या चित्रपटाची रद्द व्हावा, म्हणजे नोंदणी रद्द व्हावी म्हणून आपण मागणी केली आहे सेन्सर बोर्डकडे.
The Samiti is also protesting against various other issues. However, they have congratulated Sudhin Dhawlikar on his bikini remark.
दुसरा विषय आहे की तेलंगणामध्ये मुसलमानांना 12% जे काय आरक्षण दिले आहे ते घटनाच्या म्हणजे बाह्य आहेत, घटनाबाह्य आहेत, तर त्याचा आपण निषेध करतो. आपले बांधकाम मंत्री सुधीन धवळीकर यांनी बिकिनी विरुद्ध जे काय वक्तव्य केलं, पबच्या विरुद्ध जे काय वक्तव्य केलं, तर त्याचं आपण अभिनंदन करतो की आपली भारतीय संस्कृती आणि धर्म याचं रक्षण व्हावं म्हणून त्यांनी जे काय वक्तव्य केलं आणि जे काय पुढाकार घेतला आहे तर त्याचं आपण अभिनंदन करतो. तसंच ज्या काय इतर मंत्र्यांनी आमदारांनी याचा विरोध केला आणि इतर संघटनांनी याचा विरोध केला आणि स्वतःची पोळी भाजण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, त्याचा आपण निषेध करत आहोत इकडे.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.